All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need
Here with my new friend Aaron. Came all the way up from San Diego with his Zero FXS and an FPV drone. We're gonna get some footage.
All right, she's good.
All right, let's do it.
over them, all these beautiful girls. They only wanna do you dirt. They'll have you suicidal, suicidal when they say it's over. See, it started at the park, used to chill after dark. Ooh, when you took my heart, that's when we fell apart. Cause we both thought that love lasts forever, lasts forever. They say we
That sounded pretty heavy, dude.
That should be good. Right. We do like one more. My bad, I don't want to talk to the video.
No, please keep talking.
So if we do like one more, like with the drone, I think we should have a good FPV footage, and I want to bust out the mirrorless and then get some like really good gimbal shots. I brought my gimbal and everything.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man, I wish you lived closer by. We could do this all the time.
I know, right?
Got the mirrorless out now. Hit some one-handers.
Oh shit, I like that.
I'm just gonna put you in the highest mode.
I got Crocs on, I'm not trying to go too crazy. I forgot to bring my real shoes. Hey. Oh god, it's snappy. It's a totally different experience. It's so lightweight and like it just feels like it just moves, man. Like it's too much acceleration for it to be this light. That's what I feel like.
Alright, it's my turn to try out the Zero.
Alright, so it's got new tires on the rear and they're pretty slippery.
Okay.
But I mean only if you turn, like if you go straight, I did like a small burnout. Yeah, there you go. They're nice and warm. Yeah, without a handbrake, I have no choice but to chase these wheelies. So don't judge me. On a normal gas spike, I'm a lot better.
Whoa! Oh my god. I'm obsessed.
Alright, I'm in Crocs. I ain't trying to go too crazy.
Alright, it's my turn. You're about to get me hooked, dude. Holy shit. Oh yeah, let me know, what do I need to know? Like, where are the brakes? That's your, no brake there,
Yeah,
front brake.
Foot brake on the right and a front brake on the front.
Okay.
Let me roll it forward, make sure the ABS is on forward, because it will lock the tire up. real quick.
Yeah, I was gonna say like how easy should I go on that front brake?
The ABS will keep you from killing yourself.
Okay. It's in eco mode, right?
Yes.
So no pull around.
And to switch modes when you're comfortable, you can do this. Custom is my racing mode, don't do that. And then sport's like the fast mode.
Okay, eco's where I want to be right now.
Yeah.
Oh man. Thank you for trusting me with this, really.
You're good, man. Just take it easy.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not gonna try to wheelie or anything. It's got a little regen. Feels exactly like a big Sur Ron. Oh my god! This thing is so strong! No. No. Holy shit, this is in eco mode. Oh my god! It keeps giving power. Oh my god! This is too much. This is so much. I do have to put it into sport mode though. Sport. Okay, we're in sport. Oh my god! Bro, that was 70. That doesn't even feel real. I feel like I'm in a video game right now. Alright, ready? 0 to 70. Let's see it. Dude, this is...
Pretty rushy, huh? Maybe a little thrilling.
Bro. Like, I knew it was going to be strong, I knew it was going to be fast, but not like that. Not like that at all. And that's like stock.
Yeah, it's stock. I haven't done anything. I haven't changed the gear ratios or nothing.
This thing... What the fuck is this? Bro... How did the Sur Ron give you any rush, bro? This thing makes the Sur Ron feel like a fucking toy. This thing is so badass. But I don't think I would ever try to wheelie it. You got crazy balls. It just keeps giving. Like, you ask for more and it just gives it.
I don't think it stops. It doesn't stop like just yanking you until you're at like 60 miles per hour.
Oh, I hit 70 like several times.
You'll get to it fast.
That was a rush. That was a rush.
I'm glad.
Holy shit. I think we have to do a little drag race. I know who's gonna win, but we have to do a little drag race. So I could sell my Sur Ron and low-key buy one of these.
Dude, the used market for these, they don't depreciate all the way, but you can get a used older model one. I wouldn't get before, I think 2016 is where they upgraded the motor, but 2016 back, you can get them for like $6 grand. So your Sur Ron, you could probably like sell it and then buy it.
Alright, we got the 72 volt Sur Ron versus the Zero FXS. Just a quick drag race. We're in Mexico right now. Took a quick trip across the border. You want to do a quick burnout?
Yeah.
Are we gonna do it? Alright, ready?
Yep.
So 72 volt Sur Ron at like 10 kilowatts versus Zero FXS. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Smoked. 3, 2, 1, go. Smoked.
You're nowhere near as far back as I thought you would be.
Okay.
Yeah, like it thing's good. Really fucking good.
Hell yeah. I like that.
Yeah.